Trying to connect your Nintendo Switch to a laptop using an HDMI cable can seem like it should be simple, just plug it in and play, but this is where many people get confused. Most laptops are designed with HDMI output ports, not input, which means they can send video out but not receive it. Because of that, plugging your Switch directly into your laptop usually won't display anything. This can make it feel like something is broken when it's actually just a limitation of how laptops are built. The good thing is that there is a way to make it work using a capture card, which allows your laptop to receive and display the Switch's video. Once you set it up correctly, you can play your Switch on your laptop screen without any issues. Try these. Step 1. Place your Nintendo Switch in the dock. Step 2. Connect an HDMI cable from the dock to a capture card. Step 3. Plug the capture card into your laptop via USB. Step 4. Install and open capture software. Step 5. Select the capture card as the video source. Step 6. View and play your Switch through the software on your laptop.